Hello bachcho, let's see the question, and the question says that solve the equation sine 3 theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Okay, so key concept for this question is if we have sine A is equal to sine B, then angle A is equal to कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास, that is n pi, okay, plus minus 1 to the power n B. Okay, so that is relation of A and okay, so here we have our question is sine 3 theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So after applying the formula we have here 3 theta is equal to n pi plus minus n to the power minus 1 to the power n, and that is कितना हो जाएगा ये, that is theta. Okay, so let's say here is the two case. First is if n is equal to even. So we can say then n is equal to 2m. And second case is when n is equal to odd. Then let's say n is equal to 2m plus 1 because किसी भी even. Okay, now first for the even number, that 3 theta is equal to कितना हो जाएगा 2m pi, क्योंकि n की जगह पे क्या है 2m, प्लस माइनस 1 की पावर कितना है 2m, तो माइनस की पावर अगर इवन नंबर हो तो वो क्या हो जाता है पॉजिटिव. ओके, देन 2 थीटा. ओके, सो दैट विल बी 3 थीटा माइनस 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2m पाई. सो थीटा विल बी कितना हो जाएगा हमारे पास, दैट इज 2m पाई. सो दैट इज आवर फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन. Now in a case sec 3 theta is equal to 2m plus 1 and multiply by कितना हो जाएगा ये 2 theta. So after solving this 3 theta is equal to we have कितना हो जाएगा ये 2m plus 1 into pi. और किसी भी अगर नेगेटिव नंबर की पावर ऑड नंबर हो, माइनस 1 की पावर अगर ऑड नंबर हो, so that will be negative 2 theta. So here we have 5 theta is equal to m plus 1. Okay, so we can say that from here theta is equal to 2m plus 1 pi by that will be our second value. So first value is our theta and second value will be we have here 2m plus 1 pi by 5. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.